Hey guys, so in today's episode, we're going to do an unboxing of this particular camera right here. This will be a webcam, the C615, which is a 1080p camera. This product is manufactured by Logitech. Okay, dokie, so this is the camera. Just so you guys know, I'm actually using my other hand holding my handphone camera. We don't have a professional studio setup. But once we open it, we can actually see this camera right now, right? So I'm gonna try to pull this with one hand. Actually, I think I'm gonna spoil the camera doing this. So I'm gonna kind of pull the camera out using both hands. So I need to kind of pause this video, and I'm gonna come back in a little bit. Okay, so right now this is how the physical camera is up close. We can actually see this is a clip over here. We can actually move this clip, right, like that, like so. I'm gonna kind of put it on the laptop. There we go. This is side view. It's actually pretty sturdy, the whole thing. There we go, right, and the wire over here, right. So let's test the Logitech camera right now. So this is the second part of the review where I am using the internal camera for the laptop, and I'm also using the internal mic for the laptop. So you guys can actually see the quality. I'm going to kind of see whether it auto focuses, right? The auto focusing is actually not too bad actually, but please do bear in mind this laptop is a 2021 laptop. And with the advance of technology, this is the quality that we can get, I guess, native on a particular laptop. So right now, let's plug in the Logitech camera. If I'm not mistaken, it actually comes with a mic. So let's just do a test with the external camera. Okay, dokie. So right now, I'm actually testing the Logitech camera. I'm using the camera, and also I'm using the internal mic for the Logitech camera also. So you guys can actually see the sound quality in terms of me using 100% native Logitech and also using the camera to capture my picture. I think the first thing is that I can actually see myself really clearly right now. With this being a 1080. I think the next thing is maybe let's test whether it can adjust itself quickly. Right, not too bad actually. Let me move myself. Right, I didn't know why I actually moved myself left and right. I just thought that it would be a good thing to actually do. I think if you guys notice, there's actually the lights. It seems to be flickering at the background a little bit. One of the reasons why is that I'm actually sitting in the evening in the room with the light, and I guess in a tropical country we actually use a ceiling fan. So every so often, what happens is maybe the fan blade actually cut across the light. So that's one of the reasons why there's a bit of noise in terms of the background. I think if you guys can notice it. And I think right now we're going to go to my concluding thoughts with regards to, I guess, the camera. And we're going to conclude this particular review then. Okay, dokie. So right now I'm actually using my phone camera. Like I said, this phone is a 2022 model. When compared to the webcam, which is a much older technology, we can actually see the difference. Over here, we don't see the noisy background so much, right? Again, one of the reasons why I actually bought this particular camera was that my laptop camera was not the clearest. So I wanted to buy something which is 1080, but I didn't want to get the newest and the greatest within the market. I wanted to actually get something a bit older, and when getting something a bit older, it'll be a bit on the cheaper side, on a discounted side. But overall, my verdict is definitely a thumbs up. And I wanted a camera which is not too expensive. At the same time, I wanted it to capture it at 1080, right? So I guess in conclusion, if you are a person that wants to start upgrading your studio, upgrading the quality of your videos, I think this would be the next step from using the laptop camera, right?